traumatic brain injury can have devastating consequences in a person's life, because the bits of the brain that are responsible for thinking or behaving or feeling are damaged. Sometimes people's capacity to work or to relate to others is compromised. And this demands from brain injury survivors to adjust to important changes. Now, this process of adjusting to these changes is not very simple for several reasons. The first one is that the same machine that we use, to think about our problems, to deal with our difficulties, to cope, which is the brain, is the part of the body that is damaged. Secondly, after a brain injury, because of the cognitive changes, learning new things, understanding things, it's tricky, it's complicated, it takes time. And thirdly, because it's a process that is emotionally difficult, because it implies to accept that you are losing things that are important to you, and you need to kind of figure out a way of doing things or carrying out with life in a different way. Now, something that is key about this process of emotional adjustment, something that we believe in here in Head Forward, is that the support from others is key. Not simply from the family or from a team of professionals, but also the support from peers. And why is this? And basically it's because understanding, something under the consequences of the brain injury, for example, is easier if you are surrounded by people that also have, experienced the same problem, that in a way that they understand, they experience same cognitive difficulties, same behavioral issues, and that in a way they feel more comfortable talking about it, and they understand what it feels like to go through that. And also something that it's important about peers in this process is that sometimes, you can relate to people that have gone through the same thing that you're going, but in a way they have found a solution to it. So people in different moments of the process. That in a way is an opportunity that it's perhaps only generated by relating with peers and people that also had a traumatic brain injury. And this is what we do here in Head Forward. We have a community where professionals and also peers, in a way, they get together to help people to adjust to a life with all the consequences that having a traumatic brain injury implies.